Howdy, 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 howdy. Let's see if I got this to work. Yeah, dang it. All right, so this is just gonna be a real quick video. I wanted to hop in here, take a minute to go over some stocks that are obviously going to make a move today and maybe even a continued move into tomorrow. Now, the other thing I wanted to do is I'm really trying to multi-class, broadcast this stream out to multiple services. YouTube, Facebook, Twitch. What are the ones? I'm really trying to get TikTok, so if you guys want to help a brother out with some TikTok following, that would be great. I guess I need to start doing videos for TikTok. I just really want to get this message. God, dude, what is up with this business? YouTube's being janky AF right now. It's wanting me to create a channel, and I don't want to create a channel for that person. I've got several different accounts, like most people do, obviously. Jesus, let me just get logged in here to YouTube real quick. Switch account. This guy here. There we go. Much better. How is everybody's day? All right, I'm ready to go. Hey, welcome to the jungle. No, welcome to the live stream. Actually, this is... Yeah, welcome to the live stream. My name is Darkpool Algo, and thanks for joining me. Today was a pretty good day. Lots of rotation, and that's one of the things I wanted to talk about. I feel like we are rotating back into COVID stocks. Simple as that. I've got a COVID watch list. All of those puppies ran. It's rotation. We found the rotation. I was wondering what it was going to be into. I think we finally nailed it. So if we can get that dialed in, and we know that we're going to be going to... Let's make sure, let me check this out. And we know that we're going to be rotating out of, out of tech or whatever the hell we were into, let's see. I'm just checking to make sure I'm streaming to Twitch. Bangers. Oh, I'm so excited about that. Let's go. I'm excited. Oh, I'm pumped now. Yes. All right. Sweet. Now I can just figure out how to finagle some live streaming into Twitter. It would be on like Donkey Kong. Okay, let's get into it. So we rotated from tech and finance and all that other oil and all that other crap. We're rotating back into the COVID stocks because there's a new Delta variant of this beer bug. What it's causing people to do is, when people get stressed out and panicked, they revert to a protection mode of, there's a whole psychology behind it. They revert to a protection mode where they do things that cause them to be comfortable. That's what happened with the toilet paper shortage last year. People were buying those things for comfort. So the rotation from tech is back into these beer bug stocks and options. The list was solid green across the board, well, for the most part. But we've got, now that we know where they're rotating into, we're able to play that. Now, I'm bullish by nature, but before I get into anything else, you need to go out and hit the like button, subscribe, turn on notifications so that you can get access to all these videos. I'm going to start banging one of these out every day. It's live stream every morning, Monday through Friday, 8:30 Eastern. We've got the multicast set up, and we're going to keep them short and sweet. So with that being said, 4 to 5 stocks I want to look at for tomorrow. And one of them is NVDA. Okay. What we're looking at here on my screen is the Smart Money Dark Pool and Block Trade algorithm. It's software provided by FlowTrade. It is a predictive indicator that tracks the flow index. If you're interested in getting a free trial, there's a link in the subscription, or there's a link in my profile at Twitter at Darkpool Algo. Check it out. So I'm looking at TLT. So we mentioned TLT earlier. It was in the weekly watch list video. It gapped up, dude. It gapped up from 148 to 151. Massive move. I went over it this weekend, had some block trade levels up into today at 147. These new ones up here that I'm going to highlight right now, those are all new that came in today. What this shows us is that bond market has formed a base of block trades from 150 to 151. Okay, we even had a dark pool that came in after hours, so 1527, so 3:30, right? We had a dark pool come in at 151.74. Now those levels are going to provide support and resistance, very much like trend lines, right? So we've got support, we've got resistance, we've got an uptrend with the algo. The algo is still net buying. Look at this crap right here, dude. Boom, look at this. That's gorgeous, right? This algo is just straight up buying, right? We've maintained our uptrend support. We gapped up. We've got additional uptrend support going on here, right? This looks like it might be a little bit of a flag forming. Regardless, we've got block level support. We've got dark pool level resistance. Break above that, we're going to continue moving onwards. Unfortunately, if TLT goes up, that means that ES and NQ, particularly ES, is going down. Keep an eye on that. Stay safe, play safe, cash his position. Don't lose your ass. Keep your seat at the table. Okay, the next one I wanted to look at was Square. Now we had a ton of block trades. Let me just clear this out and just let me write these down. I'm gonna make this a little bit bigger so everybody can see what the hell's going on. Right, NVDA, CHWY, maybe ROKU, or there was another one I wanted to look at. Netflix has got earnings tomorrow, so volatility there. Yeah, we'll check out Netflix. All right, so what we're going to review real quick is NVIDIA, CHWY, ROKU, Netflix, TLT, Square. That's a lot. We got to get through it. All right, so I'm going to pop this out. Nice about this software is I can bust it up to one. I can just show one chart. Let's go. Come on. Sorry, a little laggy. I'm streaming. I got a bunch of stuff open. Right, I got stuff all over the place. All right, so what we're looking at here is, all right, that's TLT. We want to look at CHWY. Let's look at Square first. Let's check out Square. Square made a nice move today, right? Right off of this algo whipping back around, right? We've got this algo. You may say this looks like bearish divergence. It's not. It's consolidation, and I'll show you that in 1 second. Let me just mark some stuff up here real quick. After you followed me for a little bit, you'll know that anytime I slap a red line on something, that's a normal block trade. So look at these block trades that come in. It's for Square, right? These all came in on the 14th. We have a dark pool that came in on the 15th, but more importantly, we've got this 230.50 regular block trade level that came in today, right? That means that large institutional money is active in this stock. There's a dark pool level, right? Oh, dark pool. Dark pool level. Look at that. We ran right into it, rejected off of it, came back down, found some support, and we're continuing to move up. Dare I say, are we making my favorite pattern? Let's find out. My favorite pattern is the Wu-Tang pattern, right? And it's not going to let me do it. Anyway, we've got, let's see if I can get, there we go. So we've got a nice strong uptrend support here. The algo and is consolidating. I'm going to zoom in and show you the 1 minute algo chart. Keep an eye on that box. So just to reiterate, my favorite pattern is the Wu-Tang pattern. It goes like this. It goes a little something like this, right? So it comes down, right? Goes back up. So support, runs into some resistance, comes off of that resistance, right? Maintains the up channel, and then the next, so that's a 1, 2, 3 reversal to long, right? It looks like the Wu-Tang pattern reversal, right? We talk about it in the chat all the time. So looking at Square, looking at this algo that you thought was flat and bearish, it's really not. It's consolidating. This algo is consolidating right under a block trade level that came in at 930 for 230 and 50 cents, or 230 and 50 cents, right? That's right, 230 and 50. So we've got a regular block trade. Boom. That's going to provide a little bit of Algo resistance to get over. We get over that, and we're just going to continue to move up, right? We came up. So that's square. Yeah, I just got a text message anyway. So the key for me with square going into tomorrow or later this week is going to be this break of a previous high, this break of this dark pool level 234.11. A break of that 234.11, we're going to try to fill this gap from here to here, right? We've also got these additional dark pool levels that are going to be targets. So I'm targeting 241, 242 for square on the break at 235. Heard it here, 235, 240, go. All right, next one. Not going to be happy. All right, CHWY. CHWY made a nice move today, and we talked about things a little bit in the chat about it, right? It came up, ran into some resistance, came back, found support, and continued to move to the upside. CHWY, we'll get that pulled up in a second. We'll look at the chart for CHWY in 1 second. I don't need to see trends. I know what I'm looking at. All right, so CHWY on the 15-minute. Come on. There we go. Let me mark this up. Look at that gorgeous recovery. This is that Wu-Tang pattern. I'm going to mark it up, and you'll understand exactly what I mean. All right, so algorithm, nice, strong, steady uptrend. Algo's pretty much curled up at the end of the day. That indicates net buying, right? Large institutional, right? They're buying, right? We've got this block trade level coming in. It's a regular block trade. It came in today at 77.75. Oh, I can't get rid of it now. I had the wrong tool open. Look at that. And we're just going to drop that there. So 77.75 is, right, was the resistance level. Well, the algo, as you can see, has got the strong bullish divergence where price action and the algorithm diverge at one point. The algo will pull price action to it. Keep that in mind. All divergences must be played out. Very similar to, yes, gaps. Now, this is that Wu-Tang reversal pattern. We came down, we went up, we found some resistance, we came back down, we found some support, and then what's the third move? The third is a large explosive move to the upside, right? That's looking pretty dang tasty, right? That's looking nice, right? 75 to 82, $7 move on CHWY. Bull flag forming, look for a continuation into tomorrow. Possible pullback. We have uptrend support though, so keep that in mind. We've got uptrend support and we've got a little, oh, all right, little pennant, a little bull flag forming. All right, so that was CHWY. We did NVDA. 1 second here. I have to write down what I did or else I'm going to forget it and I'll end up doing it again and again. I look at so many tickers all day. All right, so this is NVIDIA. Now, going in today, NVIDIA was selling off. The algo was slightly curled around. And so the premise was, hey, if the algo curls back up, look for a reversal, at least back up to the 21 EMA on the daily. So that's that reversal that the algo did. We had a block trade come in back on the 16th that's providing that resistance. And that's that 760.85 level that you see here, right? We've got this nice, right, nice little pennant, right? Price action is trading with the algo. The algo's got a little bit of a curling up on it. I zoom this in, you'll see what I mean by trading with price action. See, it's trading with price action. Okay, so what I'm looking for NVIDIA to do tomorrow, one, they're splitting 1 to 4 split. So if you have 4 vertical spreads, you're going to have 8 in the morning. I got into some. What I'm looking for NVIDIA to do is break above this block trade level here. Let me just use this color. Looking for NVIDIA to break above 760.85 and break out of this down, overhead resistance, right? I may sit back and wait for this $8 move to happen and really just try to grab the larger move up to previous block trade at 814.18. Now divided by 4, they're probably going to open around $200 a share, right? So this would be 215. This would be 168. It opened at 150, something along those lines. Not exactly sure what it's going to be. Okay, that's NVIDIA looking for a longer move to the upside. We do have to maintain this algo has got to curl up, right? This algo has to break out of its little flag that it's formed right here, right? That's got to break out to move up. Beep-a-dee. All right, that is NVIDIA. Roku is the next one, and then I'm going to save Netflix for the end because I believe Netflix has earnings pre-market. Yeah. All right, look at this massive move on Roku, right? This is just gorgeous. So the algo did a curling up pattern. What I'm not super happy about, and keep this in mind, is I like to see block trades. I like to see dark pool and regular block trades coming in. That means that there is some institutional buying happening. Regardless, this is a strongly bullish diverged algorithm. Now, it diverged from this level here. So this one's played out, right? That divergence is played out. This divergence is played out. Currently, we're playing with this most recent divergence that has occurred here. Okay? So it's a small divergence. It's not massive, but we have a lot of net buying coming in. This looks kind of like a little bit of a, right? Let's see if I can do, I mean, could this be inverse head and shoulders maybe, right? Possibly setting up for an inverse head and shoulders. Who knows? We'll definitely find out tomorrow. Things I like, the algo is curled up, right? Price action is continuing up. It's got a nice little uptrend. It's definitely got to get up and above these previous highs. Right, got to get above pretty much this level here. A break above that level as long as the algo continues. As long as the algo continues up, I'd look for price action to come up. Obviously you're going to test previous levels of support and resistance. Stair step it on its way up. All right, that's Roku. Next I want to look at, and finally we're going to look at Netflix, and then I'm going to shut it down for the day. If you're in the chat and you want me to do a ticker, make sure you go ahead and hit me up in the comment section below. All right, Netflix. So, yes, it has earnings. Okay. Massive sell-off, bullish divergence, and a lot of times what we'll see is the market makers know the hell, they know the hell what's going on, right? So look, we've got this strong bullish divergence. The algo is in a channel. I should use a different color, but this algo is trading within this channel. You see that? I think we broke our downtrend channel. So this is basically channel divergence, if it's a thing. If it's not, I just named it. So uptrend, I'm looking for this algo to bounce off of this channel. If it does, then it's going to pull price action up with it all day, right? We've got some levels of resistance that are going to come in and affect Netflix, and obviously those are here. These levels here, previous highs. All right, previous highs. We're currently at 1 right now. We need to break out and above it. We have uptrending support, so I think we're going to be all right with Netflix. Now, contrarian, like, whoa. I think we're going to be all right with Netflix. So, with that, oh, crap. Oh, I don't like that. Why didn't anybody let me know that there was a logo covering up what I was doing? Let me... Oh, that sucks. I gotta fix that. I don't like the logo showing up there. Alright, I gotta figure out how to fix that little logo in the corner. Regardless, that's it. I'm signing off. Thanks for joining me. My name is Darkpool Algo. I'm here every morning, Monday through Friday, 8:30 Eastern Standard Time, 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And yeah, hit me up on Twitter at Darkpool Algo. If you don't have your free trial of FlowTrade yet, go get it. You can get it at our website, Dark Pool Charts. There's a link in the description of this video. Check it out. Let us know what you think. And hey, thanks for joining me. Before you leave though, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Help us